Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Pocoyo looking so cool. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw his blinking eyes. Then, I'll add his little nose and smiling mouth. Next, I'll draw his hand, just like this. On his head, I'll sketch a hat and a pair of sunglasses. Draw a necklace around his neck. Then, I'll complete Pocoyo's body. Now, let's move on to coloring. First, I'll use red to color his sunglasses. Then, I'll color his mouth and his necklace. For his hat, I'll use a sky blue marker. The same sky blue color to paint his suit. Then, I'll use a cream color for his skin. Alright, our drawing is almost finished! Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!